Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage, say, simulations settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and find game settings. Go to simulation settings. Here you can change gameplay type between custom, classic, simulation. This is an overall master switch through which the user can manage their gameplay setting to create the desired experience. Next, you can enable wind effects and weather effects. Next, we've got a bunch of sliders we can manually adjust. Feel free to dig into it and find your perfect combination. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.